Good morning, students. In this session, we are going to learn remaining rules of articles. In the last class, we have studied some rules of indefinite article of a, an. Okay, remaining rules. Okay, before a singular noun used as an example of a class or race. Indefinite article a or an is used before a singular noun used as an example of whole class. For example, rose is a beautiful flower. Here, a rose is beautiful flower. Here, it's applicable to all the roses. So, all roses are beautiful. Next, an elephant is a big animal. An elephant is big animal. It applicable to the all the elephants. All the elephants. A cow is a useful animal. A cow. All cows are useful animals. Okay, so it is used to all race or class of the animals or things. Next, before names of professions or occupations. Before names of occupations or professions. Surya Prakash is doctor. What is the A? Very good. Surya Prakash is a doctor. Doctor is the profession. Next, Sharada is dash architect. What? An. Very good. An architect. Next, Sudha is accountant. What? Not yet. An accountant. So, before the names of professions or occupation. Next, before Mr. or Miss, when he or she is a stranger. When the person is unknown to the speaker, then we have to use before the Mr. or Mrs. A Mr. Srinivas came to meet father. A Miss Shanti is waiting in the hall for you. Because here Shanti or Srinivas is don't know to the speaker. ఎవరో శాంతి వచ్చారు మీకోసం వెయిట్ చేస్తాను, ఎవరో ఒక శాంతి అట, లేకుంటే ఎవరో శ్రీనివాస్, ఇలా చెప్తుంటాం కదా. ఓకే, సో హియర్ బిఫోర్ ద మిస్టర్ ఆర్ మిస్ వెన్ హీ ఆర్ షీ ఈస్ ఎ స్ట్రేంజర్. వన్స్ ఇన్ ద పబ్లిక్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆస్క్డ్. Okay, next, before plurals used as singulars. For example, barracks, innings, pants, shirts, etc., scissors. These are always used in the plural form, but it gives the singular meaning. In that cases, we have to use indefinite article a barracks, an innings, first innings, second innings, not inning. Next, before abstract nouns in the sense of a kind of. For example, knowledge of history is always useful. Here, what? A. Sometimes in the specific cases we used the, but here a knowledge of history is always useful. General thing here. Next, with the words little and few. Before these, when we use it in the passive meaning, we have to use indefinite article a. There is a little water in the pot. It is some water is there in the pot. If you not write a, there is little water in the pot, there is no water in the pot. That means a few people attend the meeting. Some people attended. Next, I have still a little money. Some money I have. Okay, the remaining rules. Next, in exclamatory sentences before uncountable singular nouns. Sorry, in exclamatory sentences before countable singular nouns also used. For example, in the exclamatory, what a pretty girl, what a beautiful girl, what a beautiful girl she is, what a hot day, what a hot day. In that cases we used that. Next, ar an is used after the word such. After the word such. Is such అనే word తర్వాత we have to use the indefinite ar an. He is such a fool. She is such an idiot. Okay, next. With certain expressions, a noise, a distance, a wall. We don't make a noise is the right expression in the grammatical order. Okay, somebody used in the general, in the informal language, don't make noise. That is not correct. Don't make a noise. He is suffering from a cold, a headache, a toothache, etc. I go for a walk. Go for walk. Go for a walk. I am in a hurry. There was a lot of dust in the air. Okay, here you observe this box item. A little or a few positive meaning, and little or few gives the negative meaning. Okay, remaining. The indefinite articles is not used. Okay, these are the until now completed the rules of indefinite article. Some indefinite articles not used. Particular zones before plural numbers. Donkeys, asses, cobras, logs, etc. Not take any uh, indefinite articles. Before uncountable nouns. Here, before uncountable nouns. Sand, clay, water, rice, milk, etc. Next, before material nouns, silk, iron, silver, wool, gold, glass, etc. Next, before names of meals, in general sense lo use చేసేటప్పుడు we not used breakfast, lunch, etc. In general sense, there is no article, but in particular way sometimes it takes the article. Okay. Okay, if you have any doubts, okay, I will send some exercise. Okay, you write the answer, I will explain them. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubts, okay, right, thank you.